God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. To start this vlog with saying God is good and Merry Christmas. Today I am here to share what I got for Christmas. Okay? Yep, y'all, I can't believe it. It's after Christmas. Like, what? What's going on, y'all? Like, can we slow down? Can we slow down? I am actually sitting here filming what I got for Christmas, y'all. I cannot believe it. Like, we're almost into 2026. Like, time is moving fast, y'all. Time is moving fast. Time is moving fast. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into this here video. Before I share what I got, everything that I show you, I'm currently using. I just put boxes under the tree just to make the tree look like something, because if y'all don't know, if you're new to my channel, all my kids are grown. My grandkids are Muslim, so they do not celebrate Christmas. So right now I have nobody to shop for other than my daughter. I used to, because for me, Christmas is fun when you have small kids. Don't get me wrong, the big kids are fun. It's more fun when you get to see the kids wake up in the morning, run up under the tree and pull their toys and open presents and stuff like that. Like, this house is not going to have that this year and no more years. So I say that to say I'm here to share what I got for Christmas. Purchased myself a new light. This one here is the square light. I saw someone come into my store with this here light surrounding the store because she had her cell phone in the middle and she was just carrying it. I was like, oh my God, what is that? So of course I went home, went on Amazon, and I found it. And I was like, okay, I like that. I'm not sure if I would carry it around with my cell phone, but I do like the fact that I can carry it around my house and use it. So I did get that for myself for Christmas. Purchased a few bras from Skims. Let me just tell you, if y'all haven't ordered a Skims bra, go on into her website and purchase y'all a Skims bra, even if you just get one. Now, the bras that I got, I did get during the Black Friday sale. So if you don't get the size right, you can't return it. So I would highly recommend you making sure you know your size, because I made that mistake because I bought, I think, 2 or 3 bras that were my old size, my old bra size. So I ended up giving them to one of my Sephora friends because my daughter didn't want them. So I was like, I can't do nothing with it. So I ended up getting measured and getting the right size. And when I tell you, it made such a difference, y'all, hands down, these bras are amazing. I didn't pay full price. If I ever purchase more, it's going to always be on sale. Like, I can't see myself spending, I don't know what, $50, $60 for these bras. Now, they are worth it. But the price that I got during the sale, that's what I want to pay. I think I paid under $20, 30% off plus an additional 30%. So I ended up getting like 3 or 4 bras. I didn't bring them all out because the other 3 I'm wearing, but this one I haven't worn. So I just didn't want to show you a used bra. On now, y'all, and this the bra I wear in the house. These are the bras I wear to work. So I got that for myself for Christmas. I show y'all this already, but this was one of my Christmas gifts, the shark face mask. Y'all, hands down, my absolute favorite. This here is an investment, but it's worth it, okay? If you want that good looking skin, get yourself a shark, okay? I'm just saying, you'll thank me later. Y'all know I don't steer y'all wrong on this channel, okay? I'm telling you, get yourself a shark, okay? I did get something off of Amazon. Let me take it out the box. So I got the Equal Show 15, the Gen 2, I guess the Generation 2. This is the newest version, y'all. When I tell you, hands down, I love this thing. Like, I'm so glad the other one that I had it stopped working, because that's the reason I purchased this. Because once that other one stopped working, it just looked bare over there. And I was like, okay, I got to get something to replace it. Tell you, you could watch YouTube. You can, put your schedule in here. If you watch a cooking video, you can create a cooking list from that video. What appointments you have, like, you could do so much on this here thing. You could do a lot more. I just haven't had the time to really go through everything. Let me tell you something. I love it so far, y'all. Hands down, my favorite. You can hang this up But the way my kitchen made, I don't really have room to hang it up anywhere. So I got that. And then on my balcony, I have my TV of a 50-inch 4K LED TV. Did I need it? No. But my old TV was really old, y'all. Like real old. And I'm so glad I upgraded my TV because it's so much better. I even have it hanging on the wall room because I got myself that for Christmas. Also got myself an Alex drawer. That stuff, again, is in my room. Like I said, I didn't save anything for Christmas because I'm grown and I ain't need to wait for Christmas to use my stuff. But like I said, I did put most of the boxes under my tree. Pajama outfit from Aerie. It was a little pricey, but it's worth it. So I got green because I didn't want to get like a Christmas themed pajama set because once Christmas is over, you know. So I got something that I can wear all year round. Then, y'all, I finally bit the bullet, y'all. Yep. I went and got this crazy expensive ass sweatsuit. Yes, very expensive. But I did take advantage of the sale. Yep. I ain't gonna sit here in front like I paid full price because this here sweatsuit, I think without the sale is almost like $300, y'all. Yes. I got it while I was on sale. I think I would pay full price. It's worth full price, but for me, I don't think I would pay full price. So anytime you see me with aloe on, just rest assured Miss Tamika got it while I was on sale, okay? And I know after Christmas, they probably have another sale. First order. Now, one thing about aloe, you all, you have to make sure you get the right size. Work, when I saw women with aloe on, I asked questions. They were telling me, they kind of helped me to decide on the size because a lot of women said it runs big, it's oversized, this, that, and that. So I knew for sure I was getting a sweatshirt in a small. Now, I did purchase the pullover sweatshirt because that was $138 before the discount. Sweatshirt, it was just giving me just a regular old sweatshirt with aloe on it. Pullover with the half the quarter zip, that's the one I love. Now it costs a little more. I think it's $148 or $150, but it's worth it, y'all. When I tell you it's so worth it, like anytime I get an aloe sweatshirt, it's going to be a quarter zip. I do not want that frumpy sweatshirt. Like that's exactly what it looks like. I have it in the bag because y'all know I have Fifi and I don't want her to get hair or anything on my sweatsuit because this hair is all black, and I'm gonna show you really quick. The whole outfit because I brought the sweatshirt first, and then once I bought the sweatshirt, I'm like, what am I gonna wear with this here black sweatshirt? I didn't want to buy another pair of black pants because y'all know I wear black for work. So I was just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I was just like, you know what? When I do that to myself, I was like, Tamika, just buy the damn sweatpants. Like, just buy them. And so that's what I did because I had to go to Lenox to switch out the sweatshirt because, like I said, I didn't like the pullover. So I ended up switching it out for the quarter zip. It was there. I looked at the pants and I was like, okay, I could see myself in a small because it was between a small and a medium. So I'm trying to lose weight, y'all. The small fits. But I knew I didn't want to get a medium. If I would have got a medium, that's because I would be trying to stay this size, and I'm not trying to stay this size. I'm sorry, I'm not. I gained about 20 pounds, and I'm not embarrassed to say that. But yeah, I have to lose weight, y'all. 26, it's not a New Year's resolution. It's something that I need to do, like ASAP. So yeah, I have to lose weight. So I say that to say that's why I ended up with the small, because I feel like if I lose some weight, the small will really look, you know, nice. Now, if I lose weight like I did when I first lost weight, I probably could fit an extra small. So to say, if you looking to get an aloe sweatsuit, go in stores and try the stuff on because everything runs super big, like super big. So like I said, I got the sweatshirt in a small. I could have gotten an extra small, but I wanted it to fit a little like, I wanted to fit a little baggy, like oversized baggy, but just a little baggy, if that makes any sense. To wear with this, like, I didn't want to wear black jeans. I didn't want to get any kind of sweatpants. So I did invest in the whole sweatsuit. And that, like I said, only reason why I did it was because I'm not buying nothing for anybody. I already took care of my daughter, so she's good. She got her own thing going on. So this was like from me gifts. Do get another aloe sweatsuit. It most likely will be like a color, like a light color, not a black. I just wanted my first to be black because, because I plan to wear them with my golden goose. I haven't worn those sneakers, even though those sneakers cost me an arm and a leg. I haven't worn them like I thought I would. Plan to wear them with this here sweatsuit or my black Ugg boots. So yeah. And what else did I get? So yeah, like I said, a lot of stuff I got for Christmas were big things. So I couldn't show you everything far as the big things because they already put in their spots. Like I said, the TV is in my, matter of fact, I'll just show you the stuff in my room. So let me go ahead and put this up and I'll be right back. My bedroom so you can see my new TV on the wall. I had to put it on the wall because it didn't fit on this here little white shelving unit I have. The legs go from, on each end versus it being in the middle like my old TV thing where she rubs her body against stuff. And I was so scared and nervous that she was going to rub herself against this TV and knock it down. So I had to hang this TV up ASAP. The hanging material off of Amazon. And then that's the Alex drawer that I got, the one without the knobs. I got that for myself for Christmas as well. So, but this was a part of my Christmas. So like I said, it comes with the it's a Fire TV remote, and it just has everything that you possibly need. I'm about to fix me something to eat. And so I'm in this here vlog, I just wanted to share really quick what I got for Christmas. Let me know what y'all got for Christmas. And I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy 2026. God willing, we're gonna do big and we're gonna do big things in 2026, you all, okay? Make sure y'all cook y'all greens for money, black-eyed peas for good luck. Cook them 2 things every year, and I never run out of money. And God is always good, okay? Those 2 things. I think I'm missing something, but for right now, I know for sure those greens, I always cooking them black-eyed peas. I've been doing it for years now, and it ain't never steered me wrong, okay? If you know, you know. I'll do the same. Let me know down below, too. All right, y'all. We'll talk to y'all in the next video. Mwah.